Audio Jungle.
Hi everybody, just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick look of our living room so far. We are currently going with the gray and navy theme living room with a little bit of silver and dark wood. And so right now we don't have anything major on the wall, so we're still working on that. But so far so good. It looks is coming together, should I say. So I'm going to explain to you some of the things that we have in here and where we got them from, okay? So we have the two gray main couches, which are from Wayfair. And on the couches, I have this white pillows with fringe on them from Home Good. And I just put a throw pillow here. This is from Z Gallery. It's super soft. And then on the main sofa, I have, of course, the French pillows and also these massive pillows from Z Gallery. So I love this pillow because he has like two sides to it. So I kind of like flip him on both sides. So this is what they look like. And I'll zoom in so you can see the other side of that pillow. Okay, and we have the Christmas tree still up in here. It's a silver tinsel tree from Walmart. Pretty cheap and but it's super nice. And on this side of the room, we have two accent chairs from At Home, and again have this pillow that I love from Home Goods, and on both of them. And actually behind them, I added like satin pillows for if someone needs to lay their head on the chair, like lay on the chair, on the couch or whatever, they can use that pillow instead of the decorative pillow. But, and then in the center, I found this beautiful silver stool from Home Good as well. And I top it off with this Ming box from Z Gallery, and with a picture from our honeymoon in Greece. And this corner on our mantle fireplace, I had a basket here and then put our pictures on the other side. And with this basket, I got that from Home Good as well. It's pretty nice. I just actually got it, and because I still have the tags on them. And let me see how much they were. They were $50. So, and it's well made. Like it's pretty massive. And so in the basket, I have the throw pillows. This is Tiwa, our baby's throw pillow, and then another fringe pillow that's navy in the basket. And behind here is actually something wonderful that our realtor got us, and it says our name, and it says, "With God, all things are possible," which is true. So we put that back there, and on this side is our pictures from our engagement and a mirror. And on the mantle for Christmas, we had stockings for Ola, my husband, Tiwa, our baby, me, and our dog Fella. So we still have those up. And on top of the mantle is this wonderful painting one of my best friends got me. She just asked me what the theme of the living room is. So before we even have the living room together, she bought the painting, and which matches, and it's just, you know, amazing. But anyways, so I added two candlesticks on this side, And this side we put the cones there for Christmas, so I need to change that out to maybe a vase and something else. I'm not sure yet. I'm still looking. So if you have any advice on what to put there, let me know. Yeah, so this is the fireplace area, which we love. Okay, and then this side is the credenza, which is also from Wayfair, and it's made of dark wood. I'm not sure what kind of wood, and also mirror, and it's currently sold out on Wayfair, but I will still link it below just in case they have something similar that you can get. But the wood is pretty much here to complement the mantle up here and also the stairway. So we thought that having a dark wood credenza will bring out everything else. So in the center of the living room, we have the two ottomans and a table, coffee table from Z Gallery, and the two ottomans have storage on it. I got it from Farah, Inspire Me Decor is her name on Instagram, but she sells them on QVC. So we just got the two navy to match our theme, and the table, this gorgeous table. I forgot what it's called, what they named it, but it is from Z Gallery, and it took forever to get here, but it was well worth it. So that's from Z Gallery, and on top of the table, I have the second Ming box. There's nothing in there, and a little decorative piece from Home Good. And on this side, we have this Vogue coffee table book that my husband got us, and also a book called In the Company of Women, and the third one is Inspire Your Home by Farah. And because it's still Christmas, I have like this little Christmas decoration, and with the glasses, of course, from Z Gallery. And the Vogue shoe is from Half Price Books, so if you want to check that out. And lastly, on the top of the table, I have a vase full of tulips, which we got from Michael's, and the little candle holder from Home Goods, and the coasters from Home Goods also, and also the tray from Home Goods. And under, if I could show you, under the table, which has another level, is a little decor silver piece from Nebraska Furniture. And then I have a photo book for Iwa, which is it's pretty nice. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, okay. And I think that concludes the living room so far. So this is what it looks like from this side. And this is what it looks like from this angle. So if you have any questions regarding our living room, please let us know. All right. So thank you for watching.